The ZoomInfo Marketing Contact SparkPlug gives you the ability to search and add new marketing contacts from the ZoomInfo database into your Eloqua database in real time. It also allows you to append data to existing contacts in your database at the same time. And you can directly purchase these contacts with your SparkPlug's account with no minimum purchases, no long-term contracts. Literally pick the contacts you want to add and add them in individually. Let's do a quick demo of the ZoomInfo Marketing Contact SparkPlug to see how easy it is to add this data directly into your Eloqua account. As you can see, I'm at the campaign canvas in Eloqua. I have a step already selected to send to a cloud connector, so I'm going to double click on this and choose the ZoomInfo Marketing Contact SparkPlug. I select the configuration button, which launches the window that takes me to the tool which connects me to the ZoomInfo database. I can perform a query on the ZoomInfo database using a variety of different fields and values. For this demo, I'm just going to pick Vice President of Sales as the title, the metro region of Dallas, Texas, and we'll do a company revenue minimum of $50 million. I scroll to the bottom, hit Submit, and you can see the SparkPlug immediately starts searching the ZoomInfo database and is going to return my results for me to review before I select those for import. So you can see that the tool has found 67 records that match my criteria. It's now going to look to see if any of those records match my existing data in the Eloqua database. So my records have been returned, and you'll notice the first two records have a little red E next to them. Those two actually match data in my Eloqua database, so I can choose whether I want to import additional data for those records or not. I'm going to just select a few of these records for the demo, just these next three here, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom and hit Submit. The next field I'm taken to is the third step in the wizard, which is mapping my fields to the Eloqua database from Zoom. I can also select which information I would like to purchase at this time. If I want to purchase contact information only, that is going to be 60 cents a contact, or I can select to purchase contact and company profile information for 90 cents a record. I can also select if I want to overwrite existing field values in Eloqua based on the data that's already in my database. I went ahead and selected contact and company profile information, and you'll see that I'm presented with a number of fields that I'm going to be able to add into Eloqua. Most of these are already pre-populated with many of the existing fields and have been pre-mapped, so I don't have to go through the trouble of doing that over and over. And I can also select, if I wanted to go in as an example, add company website in here, and I can map that field accordingly. I go ahead and hit Submit, and then I'm asked if I want to add this to a specific list or group within the database. In this case, I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to add these to an existing list that I've created called ZoomInfo Contacts. I hit Import, and the import is now going to initialize. You can see within just a few seconds the information has been completed and my import has been added. So it's just that easy and quick that I can add new marketing contacts to my Eloqua database from ZoomInfo. And that concludes our demo of the ZoomInfo Marketing Contact SparkPlugs. Please visit sparkplugsforeloqua.com to set up your free account and to start adding ZoomInfo contacts to your Eloqua database today.